Emma, you're gonna have those are not waterproof, girl.
Even because the like snowy stay. Ah! This is like a blizzard.
It is a blizzard, girl.
Well, it is, but
What's the matter, Max? What's the matter, buddy? Huh?
bird poop under the snow.
Ooh.
What?
Hey, y'all don't mess with it now.
I need wool. Maxie, come here.
He likes it.
Running around with that. Dad, can you please give me some big gloves? Please?
You'll have to pop the trunk there, I guess. I don't think. I don't know if there's any gloves in there.
How do you know all of them have big gloves?
Hey, buddy.
Dad, it's like freezing. Take up the video.
Maxie, you like it snow?
Everybody, make a snowman.
Maxie. Maxie having fun. You having fun in the snow, ain't you, boy?
No, don't get in here. Huh. Which one matches better? The blue? I want one. Or the neon orange? I think the neon orange does. The reason why? Ow. Is my cheeks are freezing. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Look at Santa Claus. See him over there? This is a blizzard.
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
We got a Texas blizzard going on here, girls.
I got you. Coffee next to the stove.
Oh, now don't. That's just mean.
He likes it. He's
You're
eating
mean.
It. He's eating the ice.
Mean to your dog that you claim I'm mean to, girl.
You are mean to him. He likes so warm. I'm so warm. Ow. It hit inside my eye.
Whoa.
These are gonna get wet. I shouldn't be wearing these.
Dad, your car's